This 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty is waiting for you, complete with pool and dock on a canal just off the Myakka River. The interior is inviting and comfortable. The open concept split floor plan offers a spacious great room, which includes the living and dining areas. Dine by the natural light flowing in from the front window. The kitchen is large and well laid out. The master bedroom suite with its roomy bath is on one side of the house. Bedroom 2 on the other side offers a queen bed, and bedroom 3, 2 singles, both separated by the main bath. Step outside and take a swim in the crystal clear pool, then head down by the dock to take in the natural beauty of the area.
Reserve today to enjoy this house and everything else Port Charlotte has to offer.